Hello everyone, it's Michael Cheek again with Mike'sGuitarLessons.com. This is the third video for Wonderful Tonight. This might be the last one, I'm not for sure. We have the bridge to learn the entire thing, but I might add a little bit of the fill-ins that we have later. But for now, this is going to be the video for the bridge of the song, and I'd like to go ahead and play along with it so you know exactly what part of the song we're talking about if you're not sure what a bridge is. So this is the section we're about to learn. Okay, now that's the section we're going to play along with. We're actually going to use a lot of the same picking patterns and all that kind of stuff that we did before. You saw I just played it with my hand, but I'm actually teaching it with a pick, so let me actually grab the pick and teach you how to use the pick. Now, the chord progression here, we're going to use all the same chords we used before. So we've got G, C, D, and E minor. Okay, I taught those in the other videos, so you can go back and watch those if you need to. And let's actually go through what we're going to play. We're going to start with the G. Now, the bridge actually starts on the C chord, but I'm making a note to show you the G chord because you stay on it twice as long from the end of the verse. Okay, so you end up staying on the G chord a little bit longer, so you kind of end up playing through it twice as long as you would at the end of the verse. So I just wanted to make a note of that. So you're just going through the G chord like normal. Okay, go through it twice. Then we actually start the bridge, okay? So you're going to go to a C chord, and we're going to play the pattern we always have. So it's A string, and then we're going G string, B string, E string, B string, G string, B string, E string. Okay, so alright, then we're going to the D chord. We're going to play our same pattern, but remember we're changing our bass note to the fourth string from the bottom, the D string. Okay, and we're going to play that pattern: D string, G, B, E, B, G, B, E. Okay, so far, kind of leading into the bridge, we've got this. Alright, now, this next section, we kind of do what we did in the last video, where we play our G, but we kind of play it halfway through, so we play our bass note on the E string, and then we play G string, B string, E string, and then we switch our bass notes. We pick up our middle finger and use our first finger to play second fret on the E string, and then we play it through that way: E string, then G, B, E, and then we switch to an E minor chord and play through it normally. So bass notes on the thick E string, and then play our skinny strings the same way we always have. Okay, so far we've gone this far right here. And then we start the bridge. Okay, now we're going to go to a C chord and play the typical pattern. So bass note is on the A string, and then the same pattern on our skinny strings: G, B, E, B, G, B, E. Then we go to our D chord, change our bass note to the D string, then back to the C chord, so we change our bass note to the A string again, And then we hold down a D chord, but we just strum it through kind of slowly one time. Okay, just like you saw me do when I was playing along with it. So that entire bridge and the G chord that leads into it is going to sound like this. Okay, sorry about the mess ups there, but that's the bridge of the song. So if you want to practice along with it, by the song, or you can practice along with me. And I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.